Get ready for this next Bitcoin move. As the new monthly candle opened last night, Bitcoin got a move to the upside, and we are currently finding resistance at this trend line that we have been respecting since the 17th of February. However, we have currently come up above a very important zone of resistance and flipped it into support. And depending on what happens during the next few hours, will determine whether or not Bitcoin is going to hit my bullish target, where I will be looking to open up a new short trade, or if we hit my bearish target, where I will be looking to open up a new long trade. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to click that bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the most timely updates here on YouTube. As we can see on the monthly chart, yesterday the monthly candle closed, and it actually closed as this blue doji of indecision, and the March candle so far is actually looking quite bullish. Now, we're not even 1 day into the month, but if we take a look at what has happened on a lower term time frame, we can see something very important. The price, although we are coming up to our trend line of resistance, we are actually, if we take this trend line off, we can see that we are currently trading back inside the fair value zone for Bitcoin that has been considered fair price by the market since Wednesday, February 15th. And what this means is if the Bitcoin price is able to hold above this key level of 23,700, then we are actually more probable than not to make our way to some higher targets. And actually, if we take a look at what has happened even on a lower term time frame, we can see that the levels are being very, very respected. In fact, yesterday in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we gave all three of these levels, looking for a short from here, a long from here, and then a short from here. And you can see all these levels were given in advance. We look for the short from here, the long from here, and then potential short from here. And so that's very encouraging to see that the levels are actually being respected very, very nicely. But as you can tell, although we are getting a little rejection from here, it's very possible that we are forming somewhat of a bull flag. And if we do break this to the upside, then I think we are going to hit my bullish targets. Now, let's discuss why we got this move to the upside, because I think this is also very important before we talk about my targets. If we take a look at an order flow chart here, we can see that throughout this lower range, as the price was ranging pretty much sideways here, we can see that retail traders were entering short positions. We can tell that because the CVD was getting lower throughout the entire range as the price was making a higher low throughout the entire range. In fact, from the time that we put in our bottom, which was the long setup we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, the long trade that I'm currently still in right now from the exact bottom, we have seen more people shorting than longing. However, the price has been unable to make a lower low, which shows us that whales are down here actually absorbing the retail traders that are FOMOing short and building bigger long orders. Okay, so that is why we have gotten that move to the upside. So if we are able now to hold this key level of support, then my next target is going to be this Fibonacci golden pocket zone at around $24,300. This is very important. This is a make it or break it level for me. This is where I will be looking to enter my next short trade. Actually, I'll be looking to compound the short trade that I'm already in from up here. And the reason is because if this is our high, and we are going to start now changing market structure, this is likely to be a lower high. So if we make our way up to this zone and we start to see bearish divergences forming on the chart, this could actually be a really great place to, let's say, get into some kind of a short trade, especially if we're seeing the momentum on market Cipher B and the money flow getting lower as we come up into this key zone. That could actually be a very, very nice potential short trade. However, if we're seeing the money flow getting thicker as we come up there, and we're seeing the momentum waves get higher as we come up there, well, then there's a very good chance that we will retest the highs at $25,000. Now, if we in fact do not hold this level and we come down much lower, there is a zone that I am looking to potentially get into a long trade from. Now, we have to keep in mind that the low that happened right here was put in over the weekend at 22,700, and oftentimes those weekend lows get taken out, and we have not taken out that low yet. It is a Tuesday, and honestly, on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, we tend to get most volatility. So I am looking to come back and test this very key support resistance flip right here around 22.2 to 22.4, where we have these previous lows, and then it was support flipped into resistance. And now you can see if we make our way back down to this level here, let's say we get another lower low, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we will actually see something very, very bullish here, which is a 4-hour bullish divergence on market Cipher B. The last time we saw a 4-hour bullish divergence on market Cipher B was right over here as the price made a lower low, the momentum waves made a higher low, and that actually gave us a very significant move to the upside. So if we come down here with the bullish divergences, I will actually be looking to enter into a long trade. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give the levels every single day that we're looking for, like this yesterday, all 3 levels that were hit were respected. We give the swing trade setups in advance, like this juicy long that we're in right now. You can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, if you want to take advantage of the volatility in these markets, trading on ByBit with 0% limit fees, check out the link in the description. 0% limit fees. Also, if you deposit $100, you get a month free of our tool, the Crypto Fusion Trading Bot. And if you want to learn how to do this properly, check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com for a juicy 20% discount on this course that will give you the point A to point B clear, comprehensive trading system so that you always know where you're looking to enter a trade, where to take profit, where to set your stop loss, and more. These are the key levels that we are looking for right now. If we get more upside, I'm looking for 24,400. If we get downside, I'm looking to 22,400. Both of those right now are showing an opportunity for some big move to happen there. That's it for today's video, guys. May you all be blessed in the name of Jesus, the Messiah. I pray everybody watching and listening is very blessed in multiple ways, even if you are not religious, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.